Hello again in this new tutorial in Excel. Today I will share with you some basic functions to make our data more clean. Well, as we see with me here in this small table, so it contains some data, some names. I want to clean it and be more readable and more clear. Well, so as we see with me, here I chosen just 5 functions. So the first functions here is train functions. Okay, train functions is we use it to remove the space that we have inside of our text. Okay, and I will show you how you can use it here. So to apply this train function, you can just read in equal sign, equal train here, and we choose in our target or the cell that we want or the cell content our text. So here in my example, I close the parentheses, I click enter, and this is the result. So if we compare these two text that we have now, the first one we have space here between name and the first name and last name. Okay, we have here the space, and after applying this function of trim, we remove all the space. So to apply it inside of all this, we can just make or click here on this plus sign here, and the process applied here for this. I need just to make this more clean, clear the content here. Okay, this is for train function. So we see here the space exists between two words that we have here in name is removed. The second function here is the proper function just to make the first alphabets make it upper, more readable. We can see that just when applying this function of proper here. This is so proper function there is here. This is proper function. We apply or this text that we have, we close the parentheses and we click enter, and we see here we have Joe. Here is with upper, capitalize this first alphabets that we have here in this name, compare it to the first one that we have here in the train functions. So the same things, we click this sign plus, sorry. Okay, we see here the first alphabet is capitalized or it's make it as upper. Okay, so the third function here is the lower. So the lower function to make all these text that we have is make it lower case. Okay, it's a function of text. Okay, lower function here. We clicked in. We close the parentheses, we click enter, and this is now the difference exists between the proper and lower function, and we click for in this plus sign, and the process applied in all the text or all the table that we have here in this example. So the same things happen with the upper, we make it upper. So uppercase, okay, uppercase, we can just trade in this text, close the parentheses, click enter, and now we see the difference exists between this lower and upper function. We click also this this plus sign, and this is the magic coming here. Okay, this is all we have for today. Thank you for watching my video and see you later. Bye bye.